Man, all I see is black. I can't see anything. What in the world? Oh, hey, it's y'all again. Man, I can't see nothing but black out of these. Huh. What's this? This is antenna. Well, don't I have to have in... Where am I supposed to put the antennas at? I've got an idea. Check this out. So these are the Laforge um, modules. One of these are the diversity module, and one of these are the main module. This is the V4 first batch. So let's dive in. Let's see. All right. So let's see. We've got the 90-degree angle here for your antenna. Protective casing. All right. There it is. So, Alright. So it comes with the little, the cover here. So get that cover off here. Alright. So we get a nice good close-up of it here. There is our module. There is our USB port right there. Would have been nice if it was facing outwards to where you could plug it in without having to take them out of your goggles, but there's probably reasoning for that. QC passed 01. Alright. It's not really much to look at. The way I understand, they look the same as they did before. I don't know. It does look like my screen is on there a hair crooked. So, I don't know. I'm sure that's not going to hurt the performance. So we got our diversity plug here. Of course, we got our screen. I'm going to keep the protective thing on there for now. I guess it is level there. Let's see. Oh, alright, so there's that module. It looks like, oh, they give us a sticker there. And that is the main module. Alright, here is the other module here. And it comes with a, I guess, it's not a full 90. I don't know. Can't think of what you call that there. They both look like SMA. Alright. Then in the diversity module, you get your cable. Very nice silicon wire here. There's your buzzer right here. Get this out here. And there it is, the diversity module. Of course, the Alrighty, and it looks like I'm gonna have to cut this out in order to get my wires through on the outside, which I guess looks like the same on this one, because I was planning on putting my wires on the outside just to not void any warranty, and I think the main module will be easier to get out when you're wanting to use the USB port with the wires on the outside too. So that's another reasoning. Throw this back in here and see if it's actually that screen lines up. And now I'm going to get it back in there, huh? Yeah, it looks like the screen still lines up pretty good. Alrighty, well, this is kind of my first view of it here, and we should come back and have it in the goggles. Alright, so I've got them installed into my Fat Sharks here. I did run the wire on the outside and got that protector across the front to hold the wire. Got my diversity antenna in and a module. Module seems to work. It does turn out that I do have that OSD problem. Matter of fact, my OSD won't even show. The screen will be flickering and blurry, and it never comes in until the OSD goes away. So hopefully they get that issue fixed. As far as this particular video, this is just kind of an overview of the opening. Hopefully be able to go over some of the features and the OSD and stuff as they update the firmware. But right now, this is just a quick unboxing and install or overview of the Laforge V4. So thanks again for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in some way. Thank you.
Make the ground shake.